Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. A nice warm day here in Zone 5, Southern New Hampshire, and I grow pears. Probably watch me throughout the season spray this thing, trim it earlier in the spring, but it's time to pick the last crop of pears, because what's going on here is I got some animals who are enjoying to steal the pears at nighttime. The sign of this is when I see this, I know something's climbing up, enjoying a nice big juicy pear. So things about pears, you can go ahead and pick them. I'll throw this in the garden, it'll rot. Things about pears, you can pick them before they're totally ripe, and they will soften up in the house, so, or in refrigeration to keep them longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick these guys while I still got some left, because if I wait till they're totally ripe, we're not going to have much anything left at all. Because I say something is definitely enjoying these things, and so it's always better to grab them before nature decides to continue snacking on these things. This is a 3-in-1 pear. I think it's a Bonjoy. If I'm saying that right, I apologize if not. Those are our pear experts. And then I believe I also have a Bosch pear. I forget what the third one is. I've had this pear for oh my goodness, 30 years. So we're going to go and pick these. I do want to try canning some of these. I mean, some of these are pretty small anyway, they won't get much bigger now. These are the nice ones over here. Wow, look at these. These are ripening up nicely. So look at a few days in the counter in the house, they'll soften up nicely. Look at that, huh? That's a beautiful pear. It's come off easily. Like this one's almost ripe. It's got that, you can see it's just nice and soft at the touch at the top. Oh, that one's rotten. Don't want to leave your rotted fruit in the ground. You want to get it out of the area, because all it does is encourage new bugs to come up. So I throw it in the garden, let it decompose in there in the deeper soil when it gets turned underneath. Well, it's the best choice, but at least the soil can enjoy it. We got a nice bunch of pears in here to grab. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to can a bunch of these guys up here. Nothing like a nice fresh pear in middle of January. I mean fresh, canned. Alright, got quite a bit over here. Another variety over here. You can see the difference between these and these here. Alright, there's a different variety here from these here, I think. Yep. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, get my ladder over, get up a little higher, and we'll continue picking these, and we'll see what the total looks like at the end.